How was y'all's Thanksgiving? We'll get to tech eventually, but we gotta ask how the holiday was.
Well, you know how mine was.
Yeah,
It's
Thanksgiving was
good.
good. It's funny. We it's just me and my mom here in Philly. She lives with me, and we were being a little, I won't call it lazy, but just a little self-care, a little me time. Didn't nobody want to do a whole bunch of cooking on Thursday. So we got this Thanksgiving dinner to go from this restaurant that just was not great. I mean, it was but it wasn't the same. But we actually cooked today. This was our day to make our food, and I actually ate right before we started recording this podcast. I was like, let me eat before, because usually on Mondays when we record on Mondays, I usually wait to eat dinner after we finish up. But I was like, you know what? I'm a little hungry right now. I don't want my stomach grumbling on the mic as we're doing the thing. So I was like, I'm gonna eat real. And it was just like, your own food. There's nothing like it in the world.
Especially
Your
around
own-
now. It's,
Man.
any other time, 4th of July, New Year's, things like that. You may, Memorial Day, you may, eat out or whatever the case may be. With Thanksgiving,
Yeah,
it ain't the
you want
same.
your own food. And I will say, I tried a new mac and cheese recipe that was actually bomb AF. Like, just it cut out a lot of the other steps that I used to do, and just really made it real simple. But it was so good and creamy and flavor. Shout out to TikTok. I found it on this brother's TikTok. I can't even remember his name right now, but I saved it specifically because I was like, I'm gonna make this, and it was actually really, really good. So, yep, I got the mac and cheese at the next cookout.